Hello, I will show you quickly how you can use Armor Durability HUD for free in Minecraft Java. So let's get started. You open the mod configuration panel by pressing N key on keyboard. If it doesn't work, you need to change it from settings, and I will show it in while. When you go to the config panel, go to Armor HUD settings and try to put 400 on X and 200 on Y and save it. If you don't see it on your screen, you need to toggle it on, and you might have one setting on that shows your GUI very small. Same for Inventory HUD. Next, I'll show the Inventory HUD usage and vertical mode for Armor HUD. Toggle vertical mode changes Armor HUD into locked position on top of hotbar. This is better for PvP. To change your HUD config keybind, go to Options, then Controls, then Keybinds, then scroll to Miscellaneous. Lastly, change Open Armor HUD keybind. The Inventory HUD shows the health/item count of your main hands and second hands items. I will have over 1.5 million downloads in a while, and I would like to thank everyone for it. Comment ready if you were in the last 13.18% who watched the video till the end. Like and subscribe if I should make video about CurseForge and Modrinth revenue, mod coding and mod publishing. CurseForge and Modrinth download links will be in description. See you again in a while.